Have you noticed ethanol has been featured and listed in many of the recent trade deals and negotiations? The US UK trade agreement, for example, in May included ethanol, but other negotiations have since then, including Brazil, the EU, Japan, Malaysia, Cambodia, and Thailand, have also increased the conversation around ethanol exports. So it got us wondering, how big of a deal are ethanol exports? So for this chart of the week, we took a look at US ethanol net exports as a share of supply. Net exports means we're taking the difference between exports and imports, which before 2005, we were a net importer of ethanol. But since 2005, or 2007, excuse me, we've been exporting more ethanol than we've importing. In fact, that's been a pretty continual growth as a share of gallons. And so what we see here is about 13% of US ethanol supply was exported in 2005. Another way of framing this up, since 2015, ethanol production has increased roughly 10%. That growth, however, has been mostly from exports, 78% of it, only 22% from domestic consumption. When we think about ethanol and the future of ethanol, most of it focuses on the domestic equation, which is a largely vehicle miles driven, fuel efficiency standards for cars, or even electric vehicles. But as we see the last several years, and likely the several years to come, the future of the ethanol industry will be closely linked to trade and specifically exports.